Filing your self-assessment tax return online doesn't have to be stressful. Today, we will show you how to get it done quickly, step by step. Let's dive in. First, log in to your HMRC online account. If you don't have one, you'll need to register. Before you start, make sure you've got these handy: your unique taxpayer reference and national insurance number, records of all income, employment, self-employment or rentals, details of expenses you want to claim. Being organised saves a lot of time. Now navigate to the Self-Assessment section and click Self-Assessment Tax Returns. HMRC will guide you through each section, from income to expenses. Take your time here, double-check everything. Errors can delay processing or trigger penalties. If in doubt, seek professional advice. Remember, the deadline is the 31st of January 2025. File late and you'll face a £100 fine, plus interest on unpaid tax. So, act early. Feeling stuck? That's where we come in. At More Than Accountants, we make tax season simple. From maximising deductions to filing accurately, we've got you covered. Don't stress about self-assessment. Reach out to More Than Accountants today and let us handle the hard work for you. Thanks for watching.